We are on the Welsh Waterfall. Look at this. It's a bit small, but let's go. Look at this. This is very, very lakey, as you can tell. Look at that. Look at that. There's even... What is this? Ooh, what is this? Echo! You want me... You dare me to go in? Oh my god. I don't see any. Is there anything here? I don't see anything. This is very scary. I'm not going here after all. What is... Oh my god. I'm out of here. This is... No. Let's get out. I'm not getting sprayed. Jesus. Look at this. No, I'm out of here. Jeez. I'm out of here though. Jesus, this is way too wet. Seriously? Oh my god. Ooh, we're going to... Well, we should just go to a cemetery right here. We're gonna stay there for overnight until we find a ghost. Let's go. But first, let's go upstairs. Look at that. That view is very nostalgic. There's a cemetery. So many houses. What are you doing? Oh my god. Okay guys. I don't know what's this. It must be something cool. Okay, it's a bit steep. What's in here? Okay. This is a bit... Oh, I need a toilet, but there's no toilet here. Don't call me a poo ever again. I can hear you from here. This is very, very interesting. Big trees. The waterfall. Somewhere here. Let's go check the other side. Here's the other side. There's people around here. So, we'll go later on. I'm going up this cliff. See what's in here. What's in here? It's just a field. And look how up this is. This is the most steepest things we ever done. 3, 2, 1. This is so steep. We're gonna fall off. Like, look. Rian, Greg. Is it that steep?
I can choose to slide off.
You want to slide off? Really?
Yeah, I wish I could slide off.
You guys sliding off? Oh my god. No! Oh my days, you done it. Okay, this is my turn. Shoot, this is gonna be hard. Oh my god, it's an avalanche! The rock! Oh my god! Okay, you guys having trouble here. Whoa! Oh, this was so easy. It's starting to rain. You can tell. Yes, this is a bit weird now. Far. Way up the ground. Are you trying to steal? You trying to steal? What do you have? They have Chris. I don't have Chris. Where's my Chris? That tastes nice.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not disgusting. Did you look at it?
I'm only joking. It's actually very good. The crunch, the salt, the taste, yummy.
You guys are just going up. Let's go up then. Let's go up. Guys, we're just going back up. I think this is the exit way. Like, look at this. Just look. Look how high this is. It's still going up. Like, this is very dangerous. But why are we doing this? Even though it's been like 1 day. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. It really helped me make more videos. And oh, it smells funny here. I don't know why, but still. Let's see. It's this tape. Oh, I think that's the exit. This is the exit. That's the exit. Yes. Exit ways here. Finally, we're out here now. This is very awkward. Where's everyone? I know they're behind. The view is actually very, very...
I feel like a mailman, look.
What? Mailman?
I have a meal for you.
You almost fallen off. I can't even see the ocean. I can't even see the ocean. Yo, check this out. Look at that house. That house is sick. Look, can you see that? Even 2 cars. Look at this Porsche, Mercedes. Whoa. Imagine I had this house. That would be sick. Guys, you did not know this. That the car park is right next to a cemetery. Right next to a cemetery. What if we just go to the cemetery? Don't step on the rocks. Is it possible to be here at night? I think it is. Let's go. Welcome to the dangerous place. Here. We're at the dangerous place. The cemetery. Why am I filming this? I don't know. A lot of people dead here.
Okay, that's. Do you have to say so? That's actually old people.
Yeah, there's old gravestones here. There's new ones here, but it's a bit old. I saw one date. It says 1986. Someone died in 1994.
Someone died in 1969.
1969.
Look, in loving memory of William. I'm not saying that name.
William.
No, don't say
Davis.
Name. Who passed away in 1st May 1969.
Well, at least we didn't go to the cemetery today, because that would be so. Oh, you hit it! Oh my god.
Anyways, here's the camera bag.
Okay, rank 10. That experience was terrible.
I don't know about that. It was actually not that bad. But plus, you're just an idiot.
I'm not an idiot. You know what?
How was it
Goodbye.
fun?
Peace out, guys.